Calculus, developed by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz and Isaac Newton in the 17th century, is essential in research, engineering, and everyday situations. However, many students and non-mathematicians struggle to appreciate its practical application in domains like architecture and medicine. This video explores teaching calculus by relating it to real-world situations, enhancing comprehension and interest in the subject.
Yes, hello, good morning. This is Diane Ramirez. I called to say that I need an engineer to build a small center building in Batnag River. I'll double the payment if you build it until May 30. Is that good to you?
Of course, ma'am. I'll try my best to make it better and faster. Thank you for the offer.
That's great. Just send me your contract so that I can sign it.
Sure, ma'am. I'll say it later. Thank you again to trust in our company.
Okay, I hope you never disappoint me because I do have high expectations from your company. Just kidding. So, yeah, gotta go. I have so many works to do. So, goodbye then and have a great day.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do my best to make it better. Thank you again and have a great day. Bye.
Did you know that one of the most common ways of spreading of viruses is through your nose and mouth? Just like what you've seen in the video, if a people is a carrier of a virus, through sneezing, you can spread out the virus and transfer it to other people. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or also known as CDC, uses calculus-based models or the differential equation to study the virus and its behavior. With the use of formula derivative of S with respect to t equals to negative beta Si over n, or derivative of E with respect to t equals to beta Si all over m minus sigma E minus gamma Y.
Calculus is not just learned in school, it is important for understanding how the world works and critical thinking. From designing safe buildings to tracking how diseases spread, calculus helps solve real problems. For example, in architecture, we use derivatives to determine where forces in a structure. And in healthcare, calculus models predict disease spread. When we connect this real-life example to what we learn, calculus is helpful tool to make it more interesting and relevant to everyday life.
Think about it. Calculus is the invisible engine behind our modern world. It is why your GPS knows the fastest route, your smartphone touchscreen responds so smoothly, and even why your coffee stays warm longer in a thermos. Because every curve, rate, and changes in your daily life follow its rules.